Did you know in July that it was the hottest month ever recorded in human history over 120,000 years across the globe? It was a hot one, and August looks like it's going to be just as hot. So, how do we beat the heat? There's 3 things you can do. First, have a plan. Second, be prepared. And third, and probably the most important thing, is stay hydrated. So, how do you know if you're dehydrated? Well, there are 2 really important signs of dehydration that one you probably know, and another you probably never heard of before. The first way you know you're dehydrated is when you stop sweating. The second way you know you're dehydrated is when you have this thing called heat rash. And that's underneath your armpits when you get this red bump, and you really don't know what it is. It's not from rubbing or anything, but it's actually an indication you're dehydrated.